Assalamu alaikum class. Today basically we discuss the exercise of chapter number 12, coordination and control. First of all, multiple choice questions. Process that carry the nerve impulses away from the cell body are called the axons. A. Correct answer. The portion of the nervous system that is involuntary in action is the autonomic nervous system. C1 is the correct answer. Which neurons are present inside the central nervous system? Interneurons are present inside the central nervous system. D1. The part of the brain responsible for muscles movement, interpretation of the senses and the memory is the cerebrum. Cerebrum controls all of these functions. Apart from hearing, what other major body function is performed by the ear? Ear also maintain the balance of the body. B1 is the correct answer. The myelin sheath is formed by the dash which wraps around the axons of some neurons. Schwann cells. You know that Schwann cells are present on the myelin sheath and they surround this. This is not a part of the hindbrain. Cerebrum is a part of the forebrain. It is not the part of the hindbrain. C1 is the correct answer. If you look at an intact human brain, what you see that the most is the large, highly convoluted part. You know that cerebrum is the part of the forebrain and forebrain is the largest part, and in forebrain cerebrum is the largest part. Then the insulin and glucagon are produced by the pancreas. All of these hormones except pepsinogen, because pepsinogen is an enzyme, insulin, glucagon and thyroxine, these are all the hormones, but pepsinogen is not a hormone. Pepsinogen is an enzyme. It's all about MCQ questions. Then move toward the short question. First of all, identify the two types of coordination in the living organism. You know that two types of coordination, chemical coordination and the nervous coordination. Differentiate between the modes of nervous and chemical coordination. Page number 33 पे. Students, see this. Nervous coordination is brought out by the nervous system and the chemical coordination is brought out by the endocrine system. These are the mode of these two chemical coordinations. Then the next question is what are the main components of coordination? You know that the major components of the coordination is the 5 stimuli, receptor, coordinator, effectors and then response. These equation is known show the components stimuli, receptor, coordinator, effector and the response. Define the reflex section and reflex arc. 41 page number. See this paragraph number 2, point number 2. The whole paragraph is included in the reflex section and then reflex arc. Then the next question is trace the pathway of the nerve impulse in case of reflex section. Also see the section. In this section we see our example. In the example, when we touch a hot object, then first of all stimuli, then receptors activate and then message goes towards the coordinator, and this is the coordinator action, and then moves towards the message moves towards the effectors and then certain response can be shown. This is the pathway of the nerve impulse in reflex action. Means same first of all stimuli, then receptors, then coordinators and effectors and then response. Describe the pupil reflexes in dim and the bright light. Page number 42. Here pupil constrict in the bright light while the circular muscles of his iris contract. Similarly, pupil dilates on the dim light when the radial muscles of iris contract. Also draw this diagram. And then how would you associate the role of the vitamin A with the vision effects of the deficiency or the retina? This point, rods contains a pigment called the rhodopsin. When light falls on the rhodopsin, it breaks for generating a nerve impulse. In the absence of light, the breakdown products are again converted into the rhodopsin. Both synthesis rhodopsin inform the vitamin A, and why the deficiency of vitamin A causes the poor night vision. So this problem is also called the night blindness. This is all about the night blindness. Then the next question is define the term hormone and endocrine system. Students, see page number 47. This is all about the endocrine system, and here definition of hormone. A hormone is a specific messenger molecule synthesized and secreted by the endocrine glands. This is known as the hormone, and the system which is control these activities, and the ductless glands are present in the endocrine system. Thank you class. It's all about our today lecture. Hope so you clear now.